Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Where is 0? This one? No. This one? No. This one? 0. Blue color. Blue color. Where is 1? Where is 1? Yes. This one is 1. Brown color. Where is 3? Where is 3, kids? This one is 3. 3. Black color. Where is 4? This one is 4. Where is 5? Where is 5, kids? Where is 5? Yes, this one is 5. Where is 6? Where is 6, kids? Where is 6? Yes, this one is 6. Where is 7? Where is 7, kids? Yes, this one is 7. Where is 8? Yes, this one is 8. Where is 9? Yes, this one is 9. Where is 2? Where is 2? Yes, this one is 2. Where is 10? Where is 10, kids? Yes, this one is 10. Green color 0. Z E R O 0. Blue color 1. O 1. O N E 1. Orange color 2. T W O 2. Brown color 3. T H R E E 3. Black color 4. F O U R 4. Yellow color 5. F I V E 5. Pink color 6. S I X 6. Orange color 7. S E V E N 7. Green color 8. E I G H T 8. Blue color 9. N I N E 9. Yellow color 10. T E N 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 0. Z E R O. Green color. 1. Blue color. O N E 1. Orange color 2. T W O 2. Brown color 3. T H R E E 3. Black color 4. F O U R 4. Yellow color 5. F I V E 5. Pink color 6. S I X 6. Orange color 7. S E V E N 7. Green color 8. E I G H T 8. Blue color 9. N I N E 9. Yellow color 10. T E N 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.